What's up guys, and welcome back to our channel. Today we are again at Vrbo.com and I'm going to be showing you how to set or change your cleaning fee on your properties, so make sure to stay until the end of the video. But before we move on, it would mean a lot if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell on. So guys, a cleaning fee is a standard fee that hosts can apply to all dates on their rates calendar. You can add a cleaning fee to your listing if you log into your dashboard, and if you have more than one listing, you need to select the listing you want to edit and follow the specific steps, which I'm gonna give to you in a second. So basically, first you should click on the calendar to expand the left navigation menu and choose rates. From there on, in the top right corner, you'll see a gear icon, which will be around here. So basically, from there on, click on the fees. Select fee type, basically find the cleaning fee and select it and enter your amount. Once you enter all the required info, click save. So note that this way you can apply any changes to your fees only to future bookings. If you already confirmed the reservation and you want to add a cleaning fee, you'll need to send your guest an additional payment request. So there is also a refund. In some instances, it is possible. If guests cancel, they stay before the check-in time, the cleaning fee will be refunded to them in full. But if a guest cancels after their booking has already begun, they won't receive a Vrbo cleaning fee refund regardless of your cancellation policy. So basically, guys, that's the entirety of the process on how to set or change your cleaning fees. So guys, basically, as I mentioned earlier, it would mean a lot if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell on. See you in our next video. Goodbye.